In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add, customize, and remove page content in Squarespace. First, you'll need to navigate to your Squarespace page section. This is your virtual workspace, a hub where you'll be managing all the creative aspects of your site. Here, you can seamlessly interact with the elements that contribute to the overall look and feel of your website. Once you've reached the page section, you're going to click on Add. This is the gateway to building new content. Adding a new page is as simple as a few clicks, but each decision here impacts your site's navigation and user experience, so consider carefully. After clicking Add, the next step is selecting Page Layouts. This option gives you access to a variety of preset page templates that can help streamline the design process. Each template caters to different needs, whether you're starting a blog, creating a gallery, or launching a store. Choose a layout that most closely fits the vision for your website. After you've picked a layout, it's time to dive into customization. Click Edit to transform the chosen template into something uniquely yours. Editing gives you the ability to change text, adjust images, customize colors, and more, making it an essential part of maintaining the creative integrity of your site. One of the powerful features you'll find in the Edit mode is the Add Block option. This functionality allows you to incorporate various content blocks like text, images, forms, and social links, among others. It's an organized way to enrich your pages while keeping everything manageable and structured. If images play a significant role in your design, click on Image to add visual elements. This step is crucial for environments like portfolios, e-commerce stores, or any site that relies on strong visuals for engagement. Once you've clicked Image, proceed to Edit, and then Add an image. This allows you to upload pictures that represent your brand or product effectively. Select Upload File to bring your images from your computer into your site's library. This step ensures that the visuals you envisioned are accurately represented on your web page, maintaining the desired impact and message. Sometimes, elements on the page might not serve your intended purpose anymore. In that case, choose an element you no longer need and select Remove. Clearing out unnecessary content declutters your site and enhances user experience by making navigation smoother and faster. Finally, once you've made all the changes and are satisfied with the look and functionality of your page, click Save. Remember, saving locks in your work and ensures that all the meticulous details you've worked on live on your site. And that's it. You've now learned how to add, customize, and remove page content in Squarespace, enabling you to maintain a dynamic and user-friendly website. Thanks for watching and happy designing. Just send them by it.